Welcome back, everybody. This is some general stuff. Welcome back, generals. This is some snow that I'm recording. Near my house. Obviously, is very much snowing. Uh, you can see like across the street there, especially on that one tree. See get my finger out here on that tree over there. You can see it across the street, as well as my deck. And yeah, fantastic. It's like I don't even know what time it is. I know it's 1:22 a.m. Yeah. Just thought I'd give you this quick footage. Um so yeah. Hopefully it doesn't get worse than this. I mean 5 inches at most, 6 inches at most, or something like that. Hopefully not much more than that. So yep. That's all I have for you today, folks. Thank you for checking in. I appreciate it. See you guys later.